Plans that I have for you, too much plans that I have for you. It's too much plans, too much plans.
Take my hand, don't let me fall, let me fall.
Thank you so much. And we are at Mestil Hotel in Zambia, where the occasion is going to happen next Friday. I mean this Friday, on Friday. First of all, I will introduce a few people that I'm seated with here, or let them introduce themselves before I go on.
Morning everyone. I'm called Zulitams, aka Master Beats, the manager at Volume Up Records, and we are sponsors of the concert as well.
Morning everyone. My name is Alvin Keys. I'm a musician and I'm performing on tomorrow at 10 and Jagana Live Concert. Happy to be here. So yeah.
Good morning everyone. I'm Brian Serigo from Uganda Breweries. I don't have an AKA. I'm not an artist, but we're here to support Maro. Maro has come from way back. We've been with Maro for a very long time. He's one of the best musicians in Uganda. I can testify to that. Maro, we're with you today, tomorrow, and forever. All the best on Friday. All the best on Friday. The #1 leading brand, Bellaga, will be there to support you through and through, from Mestil to Ginger and all the other places you're going to. So please count on us. Thank you very much.
Yes, good morning people. By the name of Mamboga Christopher. I am a writer and I work for Kagwira Sports Betting. We are here to support tomorrow, and we are interested that we're going to put up a very good show on Friday.
Morning everyone. My name is George Okecho from AKM Events. I'm doing the production for Maro, sound, backline, staging. Expect fire.
Good morning everyone. Once again, I'm Andrea Baguma, a musician, singer, songwriter. I'm here to support a legend. When you sit around legends, you become a legend.
I don't know, there's no one to speak for Mestil, but I think the ambience already speaks volumes. So welcome once again. Yes, it's a press conference, and what people expect is questions like what people should expect at the show. And part of it has been already exhibited by one Andrea Baguma. Like he said, I was at his show and I said I have to have him on my show to show Uganda that we have many artists who can do a lot of great things, even though they are unseen or not yet seen. if we see them, we give them the chance. And Alvin Keys is one of them too. I've seen him do his thing. We were actually working on a song, and because I had this concert coming through, I had to tell him, you know what, let's hold and first finish with the concert. But then it hit my mind that I can also give him a platform, because I also want to see him perform. I don't see him perform, so I would love to see him perform. All right, so I won't say much. I will pass the microphone and the other microphone to you guys. But all I can try to tell you is that Maro at 10 is a concept that began in May. I think that's when we met, in May. And I told them about the concept. I'm celebrating 10 years, and it wasn't some easy journey. Just as you know, a decade is celebrated. And what other way for a musician to celebrate a decade than to make a live concert and show people what he has been up to over the years. So the concert is going to have you listen to all the Maro songs that you know. And the band is ready to give you more than 20 songs. Because I've done many albums. I actually have 6 albums, if you didn't know. I have Sulabulunji album, which has a lot of songs that you guys didn't even get a chance to listen to, but at least you had Sulabulunji. Then I had Gende Wamwe album, which had a lot of songs that also not many came to your ears or eyes in video. I have Mobi Mobi album, and I had also 100% Musoga, which was a Chokoa album. I will. Then I got another album that was Kamboine. After Kamboine, I did Atwoki, which had songs like Natereza, songs like Addicted featuring Irene Nambelu, which else? Then I did the 89 Good Decisions, which is having songs like Anjagala. So it's many albums, but I register 6 that I know that I've done. And we have picked only the best, and that's what we will do for you. We have picked and we have made a collection for you that we will be doing live. On my backups, I will have my producer Zuli Tams. He will be on the backups. He has been doing it for me for a long while, and he's the one producing the show. The post, I mean, you know, the live performance is the one producing the show. And yeah, I think that's all. So expect to breathe in Maro up close and personal, a concept that we feel like will take you to a journey of 10 years. We have a documentary that is coming up very soon, and it has all the things that I've been doing, and it has all the guys that have been helping Maro. Of course you too, but I mean the guys who have been there hands-on, like Mickey Wine is in the documentary. I have my former managers, they're all in the documentary. I have Zulu Times also. I have many people, and this documentary will be called Son of the Longest River, and will be out on the concert. I'll be releasing there, you know. I'll be giving you some copies. Those who will be seated in VIP, those members of the press, you'll get a copy, and make sure you play it, because it will inspire some people and also make my people love me more, because they will see my journey. I will not talk too much, unless there's someone who wants to say something among those on the table. But thank you. We have already like early bird tickets on sale, and the offer stops on Wednesday, which is after tomorrow, and they are at 30k and 80k VIP, and some of the people have gotten the chance to buy. but you can still buy from Volume Up Records. You can actually, I can give you a number to call if you want to buy some tickets. Just a minute. Those on Airtel, it is 0751 45 3502. Once again, it is 0751 45 3502. MTN is 0778 30 65 60. 0778 30 65 60. So you can get your tickets. There's another offer that is by Stanbic Bank. You can buy tickets from different selling points that are in Ntinda and Kabalagala and also downtown and also Acacia. I'll be giving you the specific, names of the places as we go on. The show will start at 8, but the gates will open exactly at 6. 6 gates will be open. Yeah, and the other musicians that will be performing, apart from Alvin Keys and Andrea Baguma, there is also Sandra Kay from Ginger. She's a good live performer. There's Shane Polko, who has already landed and is already in Ginger enjoying the night. He's from rural Pennsylvania, USA. He's going to be performing live. I have Irene Nambiru, I have Aziza Zion, I have John Black, I have Fefe Pussy, and I have myself if all the other guys don't come around. I'm here. I'm going to perform. Just know, like I said, more than 20 songs. I'm going to only have one break because, yeah, one break, all songs. So expect fire. Yeah.
Last year?
Yeah, May.
May, that was in May. You booked that date, that's 14th?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, how do you feel other artists, like your fellow artists, we have almost 8 concerts on that date.
Yeah.
So how do you feel? And one time I saw you on TV, in courts, if I'm not mistaken, Go Kolima. For people putting on such concerts on your day yet you announce first.
Yeah, I think, thank you. I think the problem is we are, as an industry, we're not so much organized. But if we were organized, we would know that sabotaging another one's concert, it is no good for the fraternity itself, for the industry as a whole. As for me, I feel bad because, yeah, we feed on the same people who support concerts. If we were not having the same people, this wouldn't have been even a question. But the reason why we ask such questions is because we feed on the same love. The people who love music are different from people who love to support shows. And those who support shows are the few that we fight for. I've never seen a Ugandan show of a Ugandan artist who has made 40,000 like capacity, or 10,000 with no complementaries. So it means we are fighting for only like 2,000 people or 3,000 people that we fight for, like to make sure they come to all our concerts. And I don't see a difference in fan base, because we sing for Ugandans and the Ugandans are the fan base, so we are singing for the same people, and that's what hurts. It hurts that we are fighting for a few people. And to me, when it comes to business, it's okay, we can all have a concert on the same day. But when it comes to the music, I start to question where the Uganda Musicians Association is, and also like even these people have an association. I mean, who? The Abategis, they have their own. So I think there's need to iron out some few things. That's what I should say. But apart from that, I would say may the best show win, or let's just enjoy the music, you know. Yeah. Artist or person who has done shows. The most interesting thing or the most successful thing is to see that the band is there, you are there, the music is there, the sound is there, and the man on the sound. As long as everything is set, to me that's the most successful thing. If you feel like you have the best sound, you have everything, it doesn't matter if you have 5 people in the audience. As long as you feel great about the sound, you feel great about everything, you are going to put on a good show. And my success is seeing the faces that I know. Yeah, they are faces that I know that these are my fans. Even if I don't know them by names, if I don't know them, but like really, I cannot point them out in a bigger crowd. I know that my people are gonna come, and when they come, I am just excited, and I will perform. Like I said, I have only one break, so the show begins at 8, and I step on stage like 10:30. Yeah, sure. So they will be comfortable seated, and there will be serving points in the area, like 4 serving points for drinks and anything that you want to take in. And we will have the second seating, which will be a kind of tables for VIP. There will be some tables, and they will have some drinks courtesy of Bell Lager. And then we'll have the tables that go for 1 million. That's 8 seaters. They'll be having a part where they get to be served a buffet of some finger food, some wedges and drumsticks, name it, and also drinks courtesy of Bell Lager and Coca-Cola. They'll be on the table, and some wine.
I'm using a lineary system. It's going to be super performance. If anyone wants to ask me, well, I would ask NBS if we could run the show live on TV. It would be better for people who can come to the tent. But it's going to be a well-produced show, because the band is on top of their game, and we at AKM we're also pulling up our A game. It won't be noisy. It will be calm, up close, and very personal with Maro. Expect a beautiful performance. In case for we the media, if you want to get the best audio, you come and talk to me. So we'll give you links from our desks to your cameras. Then when you record from the actual speakers, you see. So let's pull off this thing very well. We have been on top of several shows. We did Wizkid, the same sound system. We've done Spice Diana, the Mbarara one, not the one in Kampala. And we've been doing some other concerts, though not on top charts. Maro has seen the equipment and he liked them. He's a very exposed guy. He liked them. So yeah, they'll be in the tent on Wednesday. That's when we start rigging up, getting set for Friday. Any other question from the media people about the same?
Manya nedobozi wampita Magada Ronald aka Maro. Ndi musanyufu okubalabako olwaleero. Olwaleero tusazeewo okubanga tubabuulira kye mulina okusuubira ku lunaku olwokutaano wano ku Mestil wenyini wetutudde. Ennaku z'omwezi zijja kuba 14, ejja kuba Valentine's Day, so mujje n'abaagalana bammwe mujje nabo, abali single, abasajja twayise nabo abali single, abanyirira ate nga balina sense, balina bamu ba doctor, so mujje bangi. nina abayimbi abamperekeddeko bangi naye mu abo mwe muli abamu abali wano ku press conference nga omu ku bo ye Alvin Keys, omulala bamuyita Andrea Baguma, abo baddemu ka performance awo. So kati muba mumanyi kye mugenda okulaba kwolwo olunaku waliwo live performances ne abamu abamperekeddeko abalala abatali wano. Waliwo John Black, Irene Namberu, Aziza Zion, Fefe Busi, ne Mugaba, Sandra K. Waliwo nangamba nti Joe Steady tayinza kusigalayo. Man, nange mwennyini ngenda kubanga newerekedde era ngenda bakuba obuyimba bonna obuyimba bonna. Eno concert ya makulu nnyo gyendi kuba nti nze njaguza emyaka 10 mu nsiko y'omuziki, n'ekirala ekyamakulu ekiriwo kiri nti eno concert etudde ku ttaka we natandikira nensambya, we natandikira kariya yange, we nakulira. So mpulira nga ndi waka era ne bonna ba homeboy bagenda kujja, ate abamu bali muno mu nnyumba bonna bakulira ensambya mu barracks betwakula nabo kimanyi mwe muli. So kyamakulu nnyo era ejja kuba ya makulu nnyo gyendi. Apart from abayimbi bonna bagenda okubaayo, tulina tent gye mutadde concert, tent nene bulungi. Mujja kujjamu stage, bajja kuba balightinzemu bulungi, obutebe buli omu ajja kuba atudde, then n'aba VIP bajja tuula ku ttebo ezimu, ate VVIP oba abasasulidde ttebo ey'abantu 8 ey'emiliyoni emu bajja kuba n'omukisa okuba nga bafuna buffet, bajja kufuna n'ebyokunywa ku ttebo, bajja kufunayo ne ke bayita wine kwolwo olunaku. Byonna courtesy of Mestil Hotel, era twebaza Mestil okuba nga yatuwadde venue ennungi bweti n'okuba nga tuli wano era mu press conference. So okujjako nga mulina ebibuuzo, ngenda kuwa microphone bentudde nabo beyanjule mu lulimi luno lwenjogera.